Today we are going to master the abacus. We will use the 3 magic rules together to solve a big problem. Do you want to solve maths fast and easy? Then start with me. Before we start, let's quickly remember our magic rules. Big friend, the make 10 rule. For 9, take 1 to make 10. For 8, take 2 to make 10. For 7, take 3 to make 10. For 6, take 4 to make 10. For 5, take 5 to make 10. For 4, take 6 to make 10. For 3, take 7 to make 10. For 2, take 8 to make 10. For 1, take 9 to make 10. Now the helping 5 rule. To add 4, pull down 5, take 1 back. To add 3, pull down 5, take 2 back. To add 2, pull down 5, take 3 back. To add 1, pull down 5, take 4 back. Now new the double helping rule. To add 9, add 10, take 5 and add 4. To add 8, add 10, take 5 and add 3. To add 7, add 10, take 5 and add 2. To add 6, add 10, take 5 and add 1. Now let's see all magic rule in action. Now take your abacus, let's practice together. 3 plus 2 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8 plus 2. Set 3, 1, 2, 3 plus 2, the helping 5 rule. To add 2, pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 9, the double helping rule. To add 9, add 4, take 5, add 10. Plus 1, the helping 5 rule. To add 1, pull down 5, take 4 back. Plus 7, to add 7, add 2, take 5, add 10. Plus 4, the helping 5 rule. To add 4, pull down 5, take 1 back. Plus 8, the double helping rule. Add 3, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, the helping 5 rule. To add 2, pull down 5, take 3 back. Answer is 36, right? Next, 5 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 7 plus 2 plus 9. Set 5 plus 9, the double helping rule. To add 9, add 4, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, the helping 5 rule. To add 2, pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 6, the double helping rule. To add 6, add 1, take 5, add 10. Plus 4, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take 1 back. Plus 7, the double helping rule. Add 2, take 5, add 10. Plus 2, the helping 5 rule. Pull down 5, take 3 back. Plus 9, the double helping rule. Add 4, take 5, add 10. Answer is 44. Wow, see how powerful you are. This was a tough problem, but you solved it like a true abacus master. Now it's your turn. Your challenge: 4 plus 7 plus 1 plus 3 plus 8. Using all the rules you learned today, post your answer in the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.